Hello everyone, welcome back. So far in this course, we learned sketching, constraints, and important features uh, like extrude, cut, fillet, and chamfer. Now it's time to move to one of the most important topics in mechanical design assemblies. Uh, in real industry projects, we never work with the single part alone. Machines or any systems are made by combining multiple components together, and that is where assembly design becomes very important. So in today's video we will learn the basics of assembly in the SolidWorks and understand how parts are connected properly. So let's begin. First, create a new file and select assembly. Now uh, you can see, yes, this is a assembly interface. This is asking for a component to insert. Now I will add one plate. Open. So you can see this plate is fixed automatically. I will click on OK. Yeah, so we have inserted one plate in our assembly. Now I want to add one more component, so I will click on insert components and I will click on shaft. Now see, this shaft or a pin, we can say, we can move wherever we want by a cursor. So I will click where any point. Yeah, now to properly connect these components we have to use some mates. So mates is it is like it made a relationship between parts. So this is similar to the real mechanical connections. So now click on mate. The most commonly used mate is coincident mate. Here we can see coincident mate. So click on coincident mate. Now what we have to coincide? I have to coincide this face and this face of this plate. Now you can see this is coincide. I will click on OK. So these two faces are now coincide. Now the second mate is concentric. This pin should be concentric with this hole. So I will click on the shaft and the hole. Now you can see these both parts are now coincide. Yes. So there are some another mates we will see in the next video, like parallel, perpendicular, tangent, and there are few more mates. Like in advanced we have some mates, in mechanical we have some mates like a cam, slot, hinge, gear, rack and pinion, screws. So in our next videos we will learn this also. Now we have seen the simple mates. One common beginner mistake is adding too many mates. Like here is only 2 mates are required, but in some cases in bigger assemblies there are so many mates which we have to provide. So the proficiency is before creating any mate, we have to think that how the real component will assemble physically, which movement should remain free, like this movement is free, I can rotate this shaft now, and which movement should be fixed. So this makes your assembly cleaner and easier to modify later. So always think that if you have to modify your assembly, then you have to mate smartly. So in the next video we will learn advanced assembly concepts and start creating more practical machine assemblies. So make sure to practice simple assemblies before moving ahead. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.